good day, good day, my people. Thank you for coming to my channel. Thank you for supporting my channel. I have a lot of recipes coming your way, a lot of good things coming your way. Please do not forget to subscribe below. Also share and like, and of course that bell button that is going to let you know right away as soon as I upload a video, which I will be doing twice a week on Fridays and Sunday. Okay, so let's get started. I'm very excited about my recipes, and I'm very excited of sharing what my family been eating for years with yours. Thank you. Okay guys, so let's get started. We are making Chicharron De Pollo, which is tiny little pieces of chicken fried in a certain way where it's so crispy. But first, I'm gonna start by making the dipping sauce that we eat in Puerto Rico called Mayo-Ketchup. So here I have 2 cloves of garlic. So I'm gonna peel these 2 cloves of garlic very quickly. You don't need a lot of garlic. It also depends the amount you're making. So I'm not making a huge amount. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt. So it helps me mash it real good. It went flying. You want to mash this garlic pretty good into almost a paste. You don't want big chunks of garlic. As you can see, it's a paste. I'm going to give me a small little bowl. And dump this garlic in here. And if you could do this the night before, even better, give it time to marinate. So pretty much some mayonnaise. You can use whichever mayonnaise you like. Okay, so I'm using the Kraft and some ketchup, guys. And you're gonna mix it together. It's gonna look kind of orangey. And that's it for the sauce. You got magic ketchup. Other people add other stuff. I've seen people add cilantro and parsley or whatever. I grew up eating it like this. This is good enough for me, but you could make it your own. So I'm just gonna cover this, put it in the fridge, and now we're gonna go to the chicken. Okay, so when I'm cutting chicken, unless I'm going through the bone, I like using my scissor. And in this case, I'm gonna start cutting this with my scissor. And you just want them to be sized like that. And with the scissor, it's very easy to trim some fats that you don't want. Okay? You want bite size like this. Okay? So here I have a bone. I get to it. When I get to it, I'm gonna cut first the flesh. I love my kitchen scissors. Okay, just like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the remainder, and then I'm gonna show you how to season it. Okay, so I already got the chicken here cut up. So I'm gonna start by adding some oregano. I'm gonna crush this. much as possible. A little bit more. That should be good, good, good. And one thing, black pepper. I like putting a lot of black pepper. But again, you put as much as you like. Next thing I'm gonna add is gonna be some adobo. I'm gonna go ahead and cover the whole top. I run out of this adobo. I cook a lot, guys. But don't worry, I got more in case I need it. Brand new bottle. Okay, so I'm gonna add my onion powder. You know, with onion powders and stuff, you could add as much as you want because it doesn't have any salt, especially my garlic. Run out of that one. I got some though. Okay, y'all already know. All right, 1 envelope of the Sazon. Sometimes I don't add Sazon. It depends what I'm in the mood for. But you add whatever you like. One thing I almost forgot, I like parsley on it. Okay. Here I have an egg. I forgot to mention I was gonna use an egg. All I'm gonna do is just crack this egg. I like always using a container so I could see, like in this instant, yeah, I got a piece of shell in here. Okay. So I have an egg, I'm just gonna whisk it. I'm gonna go ahead and massage this chicken with the seasoning I already added. Let me rinse out my hands. Put another bottle of garlic powder. I'm gonna add more garlic. I love my garlic, guys. You already know. Usually when I'm seasoning meat, I do a layer on the top. Then when I mix it, I go ahead and lightly and add another layer of the seasoning. So in this case, lightly, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, black pepper, right? And tiny little bit of adobo. We good on the Sazon. Parsley. Right? And I'm gonna go ahead, the egg that I whisker, I'm gonna pour it over it. And I'm gonna massage it. If you don't like the feel of it, you can always use gloves. So I just added one egg and make sure that it's all mixed in there. I'm gonna rinse out my hand. So now I'm gonna go ahead, grab some cornstarch. Oh, this one barely have anything. It's like a tablespoon what's left on that one. It's okay, guys. I always got backup. All right. I'm gonna add another tablespoon. We call this in Puerto Rico maicena, cornstarch. And I'm gonna grab the flour, all-purpose flour. And I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of it. And now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna massage this chicken. So what I did, I added 2 tablespoons of the cornstarch and 1 of the flour. Pretty much could feel almost which part received it, which one didn't. You see any little white spot, just rub it in like I'm doing. So now, I'm gonna let this rest in the refrigerator while I cook my rice and my beans that I'm gonna eat with this and the salad. And I'm gonna let this sit in the refrigerator meanwhile. Okay guys, we're about to start frying our chicharron. It feels pretty hot. I have it on medium high. Let me see. Yeah, you see how it bubbles right away? That's what you want. Me, I like pieces with bones and stuff like that. I didn't find the neck of the... And when you put in chicken to fry, guys, don't overcrowd your pan, so it will have room to put a piece of the thigh in here. This is the part that has the bone. Let that one pretty big. But pretty much on each side, we're looking about 5 to 6 minutes. So you see I'm leaving enough space in between the pieces so it could cook pretty good. So I have it on medium now. So what time is it? It's the moment of truth, right? So let me get the chicken. Show you this, guys. Look at that chicken. Look at that. And of course, it's the Mayo-Ketchup. So let's taste it. Let me see. So this is a piece of the breast. It's kind of hot. Okay, so let's break it. Look at that smoke. Look at how tender, okay? me see the little skin. This is the skin. Oh, let me not forget the sauce. Give me a second. That's the magic ketchup. So when you season your chicken, you don't want it too salty if you're gonna be using the sauce. Okay? It is good, guys. And this is the chicken breast. Since you cut it small, it's tender. You don't gotta cook it as long. And both things, if you let both things marinate like overnight, the chicken, when you season it in this, even better. I'm feeling pretty good right now. I gotta run to the store real quick, but guys, give this recipe a try. Again, you adjust the seasonings to what you want. You want to add more seasoning or less seasoning? It's up to you. Make it your recipe, okay, guys? And thank you very much for coming to my channel. All right, have a great day. See you until next recipe. I think I'll be posting the recipe of the red beans, because that's what I'm eating the chicken with some rice and salad. So look out for that recipe as well. Until next recipe, guys. So